Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your Bereal account private. So guys, before going to the app, make sure that you already have an account on Bereal app. And then let's continue into your Bereal app. Now capture your Bereal. And after capturing, tap on Global and select My Friends Only. After selecting this option, your Bereal will go only to your friends and thus your Bereal account will become private. And then tap on Send and that's it. And that's how you can make your Bereal account private very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.